Hi kids, I'm Ella. We're going to play push-up toys with Peppa Pig. Key toys review, toys and fun with Ali and Ella. Pink Peppa Pig. Blue Candy Cat. Purple Suzy Sheep. Yellow Pedro. Brass blue. Cat. Slide green. Dog. Brass red. Chicken. 10 yellow. Rabbit. Slide aqua. Push red. Press green. 10 yellow. Press pink. Press yellow. 10 blue. Press green. 10 orange. Press pink. Bear. Slide blue. Zebra. Press purple. Giraffe. 10 yellow. Elephant. Aqua 1. Red 2. Green 3. Yellow 4. Pink 5. Press yellow. Bear. 10 blue. Zebra. Press green. Giraffe. 10 orange. Hippo. Aqua. Giraffe. Red. Elephant. Green panda. Yellow lion. Pink monkey. Hi kids, I'm Ella. Today we're going to play with our pop-up toy. Green.